This is the updated version on how you can go ahead and make your touch visible to your iPhone screen recording. This works on iPhone and iPad. Open up the settings, scroll down until you see accessibility, and now you're going to scroll again and click on touch. Click on assistive touch, turn it on. Don't be startled by this little dot right here. You can just move it around to wherever you'd like. I'm going to keep it in the top corner so it's not bothering me. And now when you're done, you're going to go ahead and scroll and click on create new gesture. You're just going to tap the screen. Just do a tap and click on save. Save it as touch. Click on save again, and there you go. Now when you're done, you're going to go ahead and leave. And now that I'm screen recording, what I can do is I can click on the little fidgety thing that we were just talking about. Click on custom. Click on touch. And now it's going to go ahead and do any touches I'd want it to. So for example, I can touch it to setting, touch it back, touch it to accessibility, and do whatever I'd like with it. For example, custom, touch. That's how you do it. Boom, 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 boom. And I can go ahead and click whatever I'd like. That's how you do it. When you're done, don't be startled. Just tap on that little fidgety thing and close it. That's exactly how you can turn that touchy thing off, and that's how you do it.